Hello everyone. Now segueing from the last tutorial with inline comments, some of you may ask where are the multiple line comments, multi-line comments? Well, in Python they're written like this. So we're going to use three quotation marks. So that's the quotation key, double quote key without the shift. So basically apostrophes, three apostrophes. So here you go. So this opens the multi-line comment and we close it with another three quotation marks. As you can see, inside is a bunch of comments. So this opens them and three quotation marks closes them. This is comparable to the slash star use characters in other programming languages if you're familiar. So this would open and this would close. This is kind of the same, it has the same functionality. All right, so this can be used to maybe block out a piece of code that you don't, a large piece of code that is, that you don't want to be compiled or interpreted, interpreted in Python, or you want to just write a long string of code of comments. So as you can see, anything comments. Let's write some text. All right, so as you can see, there are multiple lines. You don't need multiple hashtags like the last time. It's just everything between this is just comments. So let's build this. And as you can see, the comments are not interpreted. So that concludes this tutorial. We hope to see you next time.